Community Hotel here in Dauphin.
I need a chaser for Ron Cahute.
Ron Cahute is growing a vagina. He's the chaser.
I didn't even fucking recognize you, Roger. Oh, man. I'm so excited for you. I've been looking for it.
Oh, shit.
Best MC Dauphin ever had, right here.
Well, there's my cool Ihor, the other MC over there.
Hey! Oh, no, not yet.
Not yet. I'm getting a chaser because I have a vagina. You can have a chaser too.
Thank you. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Let's get chasing here. Sorry, these shoulder pads, I don't know what to do.
Hey!
To Baczynskyj! Hey! Baczynskyj! Baczynskyj! Hey! Hey! Ron and Ihor!
For 45 years yet.
Oh, that was actually very
45 years in the same shit.
But it's different shit when you guys are here. Your shit's
Oh,
different.
the old timers are here.
That's why
you guys gotta come Saturday afternoon.
Saturday afternoon.
By the way, I got a gold medal and a gold medal.
Apparently you have to go to bed with really old women to get shoulder pads.
But we listen to your CEO right here from Saskatoon.
Can we get a shot with you?
Absolutely. Are you kidding?
And
you guys are the greatest. Put the helmet
come back for the Pussycat song.
It's the biggest
Thing. You gotta do it.
Okay.
Right? Saturday afternoons.
Just put it up like this so we can see our face. It's not every day you get a shot with a legend.
Hey, Sandy! Let's go! Yeah! Nice picture! Look at that nice center picture.
Okay, we better get Ihor.
Ihor.
Ihor. This time you guys do it in the shot. I'm not sure what Schneider or these guys are bad. But it's somebody's. In Cahutes. Ihor Baczynskyj.
The Pussycat song.
Yes.
Let's go!
Hey!
Just a friendly little cat.
Hey! Ron, how are you? Good to see you. Ladies and gentlemen, we have another celebrity in the Hilton Community Hotel here in Dauphin. Ron Cahute, all the way from down east Montreal, or Toronto now, he lives in Toronto. Ron Cahute from Boonia. Let's give him a big hand, let's give him a big hand.
It doesn't work. It doesn't.
Okay, my special request for Ron and our whole crew here, our football team, the Pussycat song.